Alright guys, on today's video, I will show you how to design a high converting dynamic abandoned cart email. And all of that because I know what happened last week. Don't hide it, I know. There's this customer, one of your favorite customers named Timothy, that added one of your products to his cart but got distracted by his dog and eventually never made the purchase. And you guys might feel bad for Timothy, but I actually feel bad for you. Yes, you. Because a strong abandoned cart and checkout flow, just reminders like this, can bring a good 10 to 20 extra revenue every single month. And that's just reminding someone. You're not even doing anything crazy here. And I know you might ask yourself, how come this young guy know all this kind of stuff? Well, it's because I've helped several brands generate over 6 figures of revenue with only email and SMS marketing. Look what I've done with them in only 1 month. It's kind of crazy. 41% of attributed revenue only with email. It's kind of insane. So guys, if you're a brand, book a free audit. Link is in the description. So guys, if you like what you see so far, please leave a like and subscribe. I would definitely appreciate that. But enough talk, let's get straight into it, guys. So as you know, frame, and we must apply the 600 rule. So 600 of width, 600. There you go. And let's pull it down around 1.8. There you go, guys. And quick thing, right, when it comes to these type of emails, you don't have to overcomplicate it. As you can see, when it comes to Nomad and Explore and also Fabletics, man, all you have to do is just have a clear title and throw the item they left behind in front of their face. So did you forget something? Did you forget about us? What happened? You throw the item and pew, bye-bye. All right, so when it comes to the background, you know that I hate boring colors, so let's go with a gradient and let's add several different colors and let's make a good mix of white and pink. So I'm just gonna grab the pink from this email and it should look like this. So it should look like this, guys. Copy the same parameters. Now next thing, let's go on their website and download every single thing that we want with this extension called WebP image. So you're just gonna right click on every single thing that you want and you're just going to bring it back home. Or you can also use this extension called image or image downloader, and it's gonna basically scan the website, and from there you can decide which image you want to use. Same thing with their Instagram. There is an extension called downloader for Instagram, so you're gonna use it to download every single image that you need, and boom, this is what I came back with. So let's drop the logo right into the frame. There you go. Let's put it right there. Wonderful. Now next thing that we have is obviously the cloud. So the cloud with the sun, let's put it on the left side of the frame. There you go. Looks pretty good. Let's make sure everything is in the middle. Wonderful. Next thing we're going to do is write the title, which is "Did you forget something?" So let's go back over here, press on this, make a good text like this and write, "Did you forget something?" I think the font is a little too big, so let's go with 36. And for this design, I decided to use Payton 1 as a font. So Payton 1, there you go. Let's make sure it's in the middle. Now let's go for an exclamation mark. So there you go. I don't want it as a Payton 1 font. You can see that it's way different over here on the left side. So I'm just gonna press on this again, bring it as big as possible, so 128, and I'm going to change it to Rochester. Let's make it bigger than this. So how about 210? Yeah. There you go. The next thing we're going to do now is just change the color. So let's pick this font right there. So I'm gonna press on fill. This one right there, it looks beautiful and it really fits the aesthetic of the brand. Let's bring it slightly higher. And now guys, since it's a dynamic abandoned cart and checkout email, the middle part is going to be basically 100% Klaviyo's job. So it's going to be an automation where it's going to show them any item that they might have left behind. So I'm just going to do this rectangle just to hide it. All we're taking care of, our only job is to take care of the top part and the bottom section. So hero and bottom section, that's it. So over here, I'll just change the color of the rectangle. How about this? And I'll write any product in the middle. Perfect, in the middle. Wonderful. Now next thing is the CTA, which is very, very important. So on the left side, we can see that I decided to write shop now. So I will do a big rectangle like this one. Just like that. Turn it purple. Round the corners slightly. There you go. How about 9? There you go. And I'm going to add a shop now text in the middle. Patent 1. Shop now. Wonderful. In the middle. In the middle. Rectangle. In the middle. And let's bring the text just like that. Wonderful. Now let's not forget the free shipping for orders over $40 over here. So I'm just gonna write free all patent 1, and then I'm gonna press on text again and write shipping for orders over $40 exclamation mark. Let's make it smaller, this, and let's also change the font to Oswald. Let's also bring this smaller, so let's go with a good 32. Perfect. And now the clouds, so 1 and 2. Let's throw it inside of the frame and change the size to maybe 400. There you go. Same thing with this one, 400. It already looks pretty good, right? Already looks pretty good. So your protein snack is still waiting for you. So I'm gonna press on text. Your protein snack is still waiting for you. Exclamation mark, yes or no? Yes. There you go. Let's press on this so everything is in the middle. And now I can actually change the font into patent 1. So there you go. Let's change the color to this and make it slightly bigger. Maybe 32. In the middle. Perfect, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Next thing is the transition. So this line over here. So what I'm going to do is press on this pencil, go slightly outside of the frame and do whatever type of shape that I feel like. So I'm just gonna go like this, like that. And then I'm going to press on this to round the corners. So I'm just gonna round this corner, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Wonderful. And next thing I'm going to do is change the color of the line, obviously, and make it a lot thicker. So there you go. I'm gonna press on X. Now let's throw it inside of the frame. There you go. And this is how it's done, guys. And now when it comes to the testimonial over here, we see that there's 5 stars, and this testimonial actually comes from their Instagram. So I just went on their Instagram and saw whatever actual testimonials that they had, and I decided to copy and paste it over here. So let's grab the 5 stars there. Let's make it smaller. And when it comes to the testimonial, once again, you can see that there's like some kind of rectangle, right? So this is what I'm going to do. It's like a round rectangle. I'll do something like that. But before taking everything off, what I will do is put the text right on top of it. So the perfect snack, I'll just do something like this. The perfect snack. Let's bring it to 35. Wonderful. Next thing, they taste exactly as they sound. Want some healthy whatever. So I'm gonna grab the text and write they taste by them all. There you go. Perfect. And now let's just change the font of this. Let's turn this into Anonymous Pro. Beautiful, guys. Looks pretty good. And now it's time for the actual background. So I'm going to press on the rectangle, add a stroke, which is the black liner that surrounds it, and I'm going to take out the fill. So the fill, I'm just going to press on this. I'll take this off, and I'm going to round the corners of that rectangle. So I'll just press on maybe 12. 12 looks already pretty good in my opinion. It looks already pretty good. Let's fix it slightly. So let's move it like that. Move the text. This. Perfect. Now let's remove the line that is right behind the perfect snack. So I'm going to do a rectangle just like this. Cover the whole text. And what I'm going to do is change the color with the color that is right behind the text. There you go. Now I'm gonna right click on the rectangle I've just made and send it back. Now I'm going to press on the black line and send it also back. And there you go, guys. Now let's add this little thing over here, and Jessica F. Let's actually fix it again slightly, just like that, and write Jessica F Anonymous Pro once again, and it's going to be bold this time. So there you go. Put it right in the middle. Wonderful. Now I'm gonna grab this little monster over here, make it as small as possible. Let's flip it. There you go, guys. Now next thing we're gonna work on is the footer. So after putting this, of course, let me just put this like that. In the middle, let's flip it once again. There you go. Let's also make the frame slightly higher. So there you go. One thing I'll also do is put this stuff into the frame. All right, there you go. And now these 4 CTAs to throw your customers back into your website. So recipes, FAQ, ingredients, whatever. So I'm just going to copy the rectangle of shop now, go back into the footer and paste it. So I'll have one here. Let's make it slightly smaller. One here. Now I'm going to press on T for the text and write FAQ. So FAQ, put it in the middle. Let's also make both of them a group, so the text and the rectangle. So I'm going to press on this, press on shift, press on both of them, Control and G. So now, as you can see, it's a group. And now I'm going to press on Alt and slide it down. So Alt down, Alt to the right side, and Alt up. There you go. So on the top left side, what do we have? Recipes. So I'm just gonna press back on the text. So recipes. There you go. FAQ is at the right place. Let's move it slightly to the right. Now I'll write here, build your bundle. Change the size of the font with something like 20. There you go. I'll bring this little hat into the frame. So let's throw it there. Slide it, rotate it just like that. Now, wonderful. Recipes, FAQ, and ingredients, if I remember well. Actually 30. There you go. Wonderful, guys. And now let's finish with these 4 icons that you can get on cleanpng.com. In that case, I'll just copy and paste it. So I'll paste it here. Every single tool that I've used is in the description. Also, this email right there, there's this template in the description. Let's fix also the bottom of the footer. Bring it all the way up just like that. And guys, this is how you do a high converting abandon and checkout email, guys. So guys, please leave a like and subscribe. If you are a brand and you need some help or just want to talk about your email system, book a free audit with me. The link is in the description. If you're an agency and you're looking for someone who can deliver quick and efficient work, these are also my information. Same thing for brands that wants to work with me. These are my informations. On the next video, I will show you how to create a dynamic abandoned cart and checkout email on Klaviyo using this specific email. So you guys, you can already click here. And yeah, besides that, I wish you the best. Have a great day. Bye-bye.